Hi Fashion TV, I'm Guido and we're backstage at Prada. The theme of the Prada show is like dark romance, and we were very lucky enough that 7 or 8 girls said they'd dye their hair jet black. So there's these very severe graphic hair. There's a very long braids, a little like in the Addams Family. Like there's a little dark romance, a little gothicness going on, but at the end of the day, it's very Prada.
Hi Fashion TV, I'm Sofia Steinberg and we're backstage on Prada. I dyed my hair into black yesterday and I just really like it.
Hi Fashion TV, my name is Isa Peerdeman and we're backstage at Prada. I just got it like colored this morning and I love everything about it. It's so me and it's so like angelic. I really love it.
Hi Fashion TV, my name is Britt Ensink and we're backstage at Prada. I really like it, it's good. I think it's cool, yeah, I love the brows and like just natural makeup's always good, you know.
It's really cool. I like these eyebrows. Just my dream. I like it's so edgy and like my brows are normally super dark, so it gives like a totally complete different look, which I really like.
Hi Fashion TV, I'm Maike and we're backstage at Prada. I really like it, something different, like a alien kind of look, with the light eyebrows.
Hi Fashion TV, I'm Adita Ketch and we are backstage at Prada. I like a natural makeup look, so I really like this makeup.
I'm wearing a black dress and black boots and it's really elegant yet simple and really, really gorgeous.
The idea of all these beautiful floral prints and patterns and handmade satin rosettes and lilies that were three-dimensional, almost as a corsage at the waist or trailing up a bodice or down a skirt. And the stems on many of the pieces just kind of like glittered away like a little bit of a ribbon.
I'm wearing like a simple black dress and with like very cool boots, and the dress has like beautiful flowers on it and it's gorgeous.
I'm wearing a long white coat with flowers on it and black heels and a black handbag. It's really beautiful. I love it.
It felt very Prada to me. Were a lot of clothes there that will really speak to the woman who loves to buy and collect Prada each season. The long sleeve black dress with the multicolor flowers was one of the best dresses of the week and maybe even of the season.
It had this great intensity that's kind of really speaking to a lot of this grunge moment. The idea of kind of a combat boot or a stormtrooper boot, but still somewhat feminine with all of the flowers and certainly the lace. She was loving the idea of a very military attitude with a lot of the return of nylon, which is really where she began in the 90s. And the idea of olive nylon as well, that had a very militaristic attitude to a lot of the outerwear, a lot of her jackets, and even some of the olive green military, almost like a blanket, army blanket skirts that she had decorated.
My look, I'm wearing a skirt and a top. I really like my look. It's like very chilled out, not too complicated. And my shoes. I love those boots so much.
I have like a long black dress with lace on top and just big black boots, you know, and a really nice bag, so it's cool. I love it.
Miuccia, again, remains one of the most influential designers. She mixes metaphors in her clothing. She had a little bit of Lily Munster mixed in with menswear and this very tough, she had a lot of tough edginess too. But she mixes a lot of ideas into one show, and it's never anything you could possibly predict, and I love that.
And then the Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein wedding picture, humor. And that's what we love about Miuccia. She doesn't always take it so seriously. And people always want to say, oh, fashion shouldn't be serious. Well, there are very serious moments in fashion, but there are moments when you have to have your tongue embedded deep in your cheek, and you have to have a big old wink. And Miuccia understands that. So I love the Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein images that appeared on mixed media dresses and often back to the lace.
It was this Wednesday from the Addams Family look. It was this kind of goth romance happening. Very interesting direction from her.
It was an interesting dichotomy, right, with this sweetness and this romance and then the hard-edged military vibes. She's obviously responding to the world around her.
Really strong collection for her, and it's so fun to see her returning to the handbags that have the applied pockets on the outside, and many times with a wool mohair looking like fur that was a decoration on it.
I like a lot Prada. Someone told me that she was no more inventing things. She creates new things, but the spirit is just the Miuccia Prada's one. A genius has some ideas, and that's very, very big.
but lace capes on top of that, or lace details that kind of were a flourish over a shoulder. Really strong collection. I have to say, probably my favorite collection to date so far this week.
It's a beautiful dress and yeah, some amazing boots. It's powerful, it's strong.
I loved Prada. I loved the edginess and this play between softness and aggression in a way. I thought it was powerful and everything that we need right now as human beings to have this strong statements. And I think it was a brilliant show that we saw at Prada.